I still can't believe that Michael has gone. I did hate that. I hate that. Boom. Yeah, I know. I hate him. I'm so glad that he's dead now. Yeah. So, that's not me being evil. He was more evil than me. I must admit, I'm kind of evil. But not like he was. Oh man, I'm thinking of plotting world domination. Especially because of Homer, my ex-husband. I absolutely hate that. If he can't take that, I am going to stick with Parrot forever. So much so, I think I'm going to have a child with him. Wait, I already am. Woohoo! I need to conquer Canada. Take over it. Why? Why? Well, it's to protect our integrity. Okay. I think Shadow is correct, and I support him for the whole way through. 4 reasons. Why? No, not the camera. I'm staring at the envelope. Guys, I've had a voice renovation. But anyway, we need something to make us villain status back better than ever. We need it fast. I've got a question though. Why do we need to do that? We're criminal masterminds. Why do we need to do this? Our reputation's getting slowly better. Thanks Snow Golem going good and bad mouthing us. Jesus Christ, this guy is a riot. Marge, have you got any ideas? Yes! Well, domination! Excellent choice! That one's approved, Parrot. Why don't we destroy the Eiffel Tower or something? Bit cocky, so I'm gonna give that one a miss. Shadow? Bikini car wash. Yeah, I'll give that one. That's still not me. Give that one a miss. What about you, Shy Guy? Chicken nuggets factory, but all chicken nuggets are filled with cyanide, so dangerous that it can kill someone in one bite. You won't be caught if we do that, so we'll get arrested. So, world domination approved. Oh, I wanted bikini car wash. Congratulations, Marge, honey. Oh look, Clover West has 7 has worked. Okay, Parrot, have you got any ideas we're gonna play World Domination? I think so. I think we're heading up to the United States first. We're gonna take over Springfield, kick Mayor Quimby out, and kill Homer Simpson. I've heard that it's Springfield, Oregon. No, we don't know what one it is. I've pinpointed it and it's Springfield, Oregon. That's what I found. Yeah, it looked like it was on the east side. I'm confused. So am I. Wow, this feels so good. Playing World Domination. Oh, this is so good, right, Shadow? I hate to inform you, but there's something wrong with the plane. It's crashed, hasn't it? It's crashing. Run! Ah! There's nothing I can do with Herbert. You're not able to repair. That's enough, Herbert.
I was once like you, but I had a less extreme case. No, not the ocean! No, I'll just manifest my true power. I'm allergic to ocean water.
This is Kemp Brockman and Arnie Pye from Channel 6 News here live from Springfield, where they announced Mayor Quimby and President Wayne The Rock Johnson's impeachment as Parrot Scottington and former resident Marge Simpson plotting world domination with their children and their friends in the Riverdale's villains group owned by the Ender Dragon. Now, can't stop talking with you stupid ghoul. You're about to talk. Yes, hello, United States of America. Hello, world. Your political jobs may be in danger, cause we're plotting world domination. Yes, if you're wondering what we're doing, we're trying to take over every country and make it into a one, where we have no such thing as capitalism, democracy, so capitalism, socialism, or communism. Just a republic where we make up the rules as we go along. Yes, you'll be our servants. As we will pay for all your healthcare, every country will have free healthcare. Yeah. And yeah. As a result, we may have more trials will begin as Miracle Emmy has been arrested. So no explained reason why. But I was once Mayor Springfield. Oh my god. Anyway, all mobs and all villains can come together as we form a republic against justice of the current law. Anyway, thank you so much for that, and I'll see you later, America. And with controversial news in March and Parrot plan to take world domination. We might call this event as it's led by Parrot and his friend Shadow Lovejoy. Parrot and Shadow going global. We will keep you updated as the story continues. But for now, let's get to the other stories.